In this video, I'll show you how to fix black bars on stretched resolution with Intel. So first open the Intel Graphics Command Center by right-clicking your desktop and go into the Intel Graphics Command Center. If you don't have it, download it from the Microsoft Store. Next, go to Display Settings, so from the Command Center, click Display and then General. Make sure your monitor is correctly detected. Then next you want to set scaling to full screen, so find the scaling option and select Scale Full Screen. Avoid Maintain Aspect Ratio or Center if you want no black bars. Next, set the resolution in your game, so open your game, go to Video or Graphics Settings and then Resolution and select your stretched resolution. Also make sure to set the display mode to full screen, since borderless or windowed modes can cause black bars. Now optionally you can also check your monitor settings, so some monitors have an on-screen menu for scaling or aspect ratio. If that's the case, set it to full or stretch instead of maintain aspect ratio. So now you know how to fix black bars on stretched resolution with Intel. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.